Hello, hello. Today we're going to complete the shopping list from the Inquisitor. Yeah, that one guy that wanted me to play sandbox. Now we are going to freaking do a shopping list. The shopping list is this: killing a mirror's bird, a mirror's vulture, a king vulture, an aquapid, a red lizard, a red spooder, an inspector, the freaking king's cub, and a mother spider. This is going to be fun. Oh man. We're going to be doing everything of this with this loadout. These many spears, these many bombs and thingies, and this vulture grab for the vultures, so if they escape I can call them back. And then the natural spawning stuff, that's not my problem, I will use them if I can. And now I just need to kill a mirror's bird. Here we go. I think this is going to be easy. I have the boomstick. I think the okay. Let's do this. For enemies that I will only use that boomstick for these enemies. Give me a second. I will only use them for the Nero's vulture and the king vulture. That's it. Because the rest I think is a kill. Well, king's cap doesn't count. Fuck king's cap. So the boomstick. Oh god, this is not okay. So the boomstick is only for those things. So we cannot use boomstick, but we can use bomb. And yeah, I have a mod, so they do funny sounds. And I missed completely that.
Bye.
Okay. Okay then. Let me just go here. Now you can at least move, poor thing. Oh my god. Holy. Ouch. Oh my It's time to run. Oh well. Oh yeah, I have back spears. I won't use them, so don't worry. Well, I will. Don't touch that. Okay, perfect. No, cash. There we go. Fuck. Die. Oh gosh. When he runs, it's really. I don't like it. Oh fuck. Oh, come on. I don't need one hit. Oh jeez, he's coming. He's actually just coming. Or he's watching. Nice, next. What's next on the shopping list? Next on the shopping list is this, the mirror's vulture. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. For this I can use the boomstick. Wait, this is the wrong save. Give me a second. I'm really bad at this. Now. Okay, let's go. Dynamite and boomstick. First of all. Wait. Okay, let's go. Dynamite and boomstick. Oh fuck. Boomstick just died. I'm so doomed. Gosh. Oh my. Woo. I never killed one of these. But to not make the video endless, I did practice a bit. I got some strategies. Woo! And I'm so freaking dead right now. Move! Artificer! Gosh! I'm alive. Kind of. No, what? Oh well. I don't care about that. Wait, another one? What? No. Die. Okay, I need boomstick. I'm restarting. I hate when that happens. I need the freaking boomstick. It's important. Okay, so first boomstick and then bomb. Okay, this is the new strategy. That was easy and did absolutely no damage. I'm doomed. Oh my god. There we go. Oh god. Oh god. There's a spear here. Perfect. Oh god, I'm so dead. Dead. Backflip into his mouth. Hey, don't run. You're not supposed to be running. Die. Oh gosh. Haha, dumb. You're so dumb. I'm fucked. What the? Any more spears? There's one there. Bro, just killed a butterfly. Hey.
Mine.
Oh god. Gosh. I was so close. God damn it. Okay, boomstick, then dynamite. Okay. No. Yes. Got you. There we go. That's more like it. And now we run. That's. I don't want the banana.
Why?
Gosh. I hate Inquisitor. Freaking Inquisitor. I will kill him. I will I will stop talking. Fuck you. Fuck. I hate autograph, I swear to God. Haha, you're so dumb. L-E-D-L, eat the freaking L. You're so freaking dumb. Freaking. Focused. Get into it. I almost got nuked. Okay.
Mine.
No,
Mine.
guys. Okay, I'm albino. I'm going overkill with this one. I'm freaking killing that thing. Yes or freaking yes. Why did I? Oh my! Wait. Do not touch me. It's time to run. Can I? Okay, thank you. I just failed that completely. close. Oh my god, I am so close. He's almost dead. A little bit more, come on. In his mouth, perfect. Any more spears? Okay, one more, I think. Die. Oh my god. Any more spears? Yes. Can you? Die already. You have like no health. Fuck you. I need one more spear. Oh, there we go, finally, thank you. Holy Die. Whew. Next on the shopping list, I think is the King Vulture. Yes, indeed. Oh god. From Vulture to another freaking Vulture. Yay. That's fun. Okay, okay. Hello, Vulture. Okay, that's nice, that's nice, that's nice. Boomstick. That was really easy, yes. I think it's gonna have the boomstick. If not, wow. Die, bitch. Haha, you cannot do anything, die. ETL, ETL. I'm going to grab your mask. You are going to get the masked. No, give it. There we go. ETL. Ouch. Okay, next on the shopping list, Aquapid. I'll do this from the that's last. Okay. Red lizard time. Oh jeez. Okay, no boomstick. But dynamite can be used. Oh god. I'm dead, aren't I? Yes, I am. Okay, dynamite acquired. Run! Eat! Yeah. Okay, he's almost dead. I love dynamite, Jesus Christ. Ow. That hurts. Fuck you. Ouch. ET freaking L. Haha. You're so dead. One more, I think. Oh, no, nice, perfect. Okay, then next on the shopping list. Next on the shopping list is a red spider. This is going to be so easy. Look, I'm not even going to use the dynamite. I feel bad for the poor spooder. I'm not even gonna use the dynamite. Are you kidding me? Bro, oh, well. Bro, what the are you going to... I need... oh well. Come on, Spooder. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. There we go. Let me just sleep. A quick nap. Yeah, a quick nap. Okay, can you? Okay, thank you. Okay, next on the shopping list. Oh, an inspector. Inspecting time. Oh. There we go. Easy. No, there we go. Okay, I can use boomstick. No, boomstick no. I can use bomb. Dynamite. Fuck you. Okay, no, dynamite is too OP. Okay, dynamite is too OP, sorry. Sorry, Artificer. I know you like dynamite, but okay, that was really close. Don't. Ow, ow, ow. I hurt myself. There we go. That was something. There we go. No. Okay, I'm so doomed. I'm so This is like a scavenger, but with 3 heads, and has electricity, and lives in a living toaster. Okay. 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 Slowly. There we go. Next in the shopping list, the king scav. Oh my god. Okay, I can use dynamite on this one. Okay. Come on. Oh gosh. Fuck. Okay. Okay, I'm not even using. Fuck. Okay, because I spawned close to it, I'm going to use it. Freaking bad fly. Are you kidding me? Okay, bombs, do not do anything. Don't know. Okay. Go up there. He's trapped. He cannot do anything. Fuck. Gosh. Damn it. Ugh, he was trapped. Oh, come on. Where did you get that freaking spear? Yes, not fair. Oh, he has bombs. I can explode him with this bomb and he will just go flying and dying and webbing. See? That works. What the fuck? Oh god, no, please. He's pretty damaged. Oh my god, freaking sniper. Inquisitor, I am still hating you, by the way. Oh? No. Gosh, freaking Paul. I wanted to do my stun dash thingy then, I don't know. That's absolutely not fair. I hate my life so much. I'm not grabbing any spears. He's going to get munched to death. No. You are so freaking dead. Oh wait, it's not giving him any damage. God! Done! Next on the shopping list? Oh, this is going to be really easy. Okay then. Mother spider. Okay. I'm not using the bomb. It's really easy to kill. You're so lucky. You're so freaking lucky. Oh my. No. If you kill me one more time, I'm using the dynamite. What the f... And can you... Gosh? Oh my... Can you stop dodging? There we go. Okay, now I need to kill his little spooders. And then I say I'm done. What was that? That was a egg bug. What did an egg bug? Okay, done I was. Why was there an egg bug? Strange. Okay, let me just kill the aquapid real quick. In here. And we have done with the thingies, with the shopping list. Aquapid, and just give some spears. The thing is that I'm with Artificer and I can just not do that. Gosh. Okay, let me change maps. This is harder in this map. I want the refinery. Okay, should we send the spears? And here's the aquapid. Easy. I have killed some aquapids before, so... Oh, fuck. Come on. Okay. No, I'm so dead. Okay. Okay, that was really sad. What the? Okay, you know what? If I kid me one more time, I'm just going to get a bomb and explode him in the face. Because I want... Fuck. Give me the spear. Okay, there we go. Give me that spear. There we go. And he's dead. Easy as that. Now I just gotta wait. I'll get the spear if I need to finish him. Okay, he's not going to come back, but that counts as a kill. I have finished the shopping list. See ya later. Bye.